What's going on, guys? This is Mohan, and right now we are watching my fourth tutorial where you'll be learning something about inheritance. And this is the program that we have done in our previous tutorial, and I forgot to say you guys about one thing. There is a quite small difference between this console.write line and the console.write. So let's just explain. So this console.write line will print for you in a new line, whereas this console.write, it will just print things in the same line. So let's just make it another console. Yeah, that's it. So let's make this line as a comment in initial stage. Now let's run this program. So it's asking me to please enter the number, and I give you is 41, and the 41 is displayed two times, so that is what we did in our program. So we have printed this num two times, but when we make this line as a command, and when we run this, and if you're going to give 41, it's not going, this 41 is not going to be returned in our new line, just because we have used console.write and console.write in both the places. We have in this thing we have used console.write line, so that's the thing. It has printed num value for us in a new line. So that's the only thing I forgot to say in the last tutorial. So let's get back to inheritance. So what we have did here is we have created a two class. Let me just make things simple for you guys, for a better understanding. I will just place this class above our program class. So what we have done here is we have created an object for this program one class, and using that particular object we have accessed this get data method, and we have accessed this print data method. So instead, is there any other way we can access these methods uh, without the help of our program one class object? Of course there's another way. Well, so what I have done here is I have created an object for this program class, and I'm trying to access this get data and print data method, which is in our program one class, which is very impossible because uh, we cannot access number methods from one class to another class. So until or unless we use inheritance, so what am I doing is I'm inheriting this program one class member variables and functions into our program class, so that even with the help of this program object we can access the methods that are inside this program one. um, so I think you got it. You got a general idea about inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but it is mainly used for code reusability, and we call this class as a base class, and we call this class as a derived class just because this is the base class where we are inheriting these methods into this class, and this is a derived class just because the methods are derived into this class from this base class. So this is what they so called inheritance, and now let us see the types of inheritance, and it's very much simple. So there are five types of inheritance: is a single inheritance, a hierarchical and multi-level, and hybrid and multiple inheritance. So the first thing is single inheritance. It's nothing but just what we did before is a single. It's the best example for single level inheritance. And the hierarchical inheritance is nothing but we are having a base class, and from the base class we are making a two derived class. So that's it. It's hierarchical. It's very simple. You can try that out. It will not be a big issue for you guys. It's very simple. And this multi-level inheritance, it's something like a tree structure: a base class, a derived class, a derived class, second derived class, and a third derived class, and go on. It may go on as per your wish. What is this hybrid inheritance? Hybrid inheritance, it is a combination of a single hierarchical and multi-level. Uh, why they say so? Because in this first thing, single level inheritance is used, and in this second thing, uh, multi-level inheritance is used, and it's a combination of all the three things. And this is the fifth one, which is called a multiple inheritance. When a derived class is created from more than one base class, then it is said to be multiple inheritance. Even though our .NET framework will not be supporting this multiple inheritance, because if you are inheriting things from two different class, base 1 and base 2. If suppose base 1 is holding a method name of print data, and even base 2 has the method of same name, and this derived class, it gets confused when it wants to access this print data method. It will just get confused, what method should I access, whether a base 1 class or a base 2 class method. They are both similar with the name. So this multiple inheritance is not much supported in C Sharp. So we are achieving this multiple inheritance through interfaces, which will be seen in our upcoming tutorial. So do not worry about those things. That's it, guys. I guess we are done with our tutorial, and I hope you got whatever I was trying to say in this tutorial. So let's start up with a new tutorial by tomorrow, and our tomorrow topic would be something about access specifiers, and we would see something in a detailed view about access specifiers. If you got any doubt, just leave a comment. I'll just come by and clear your doubts. That's it, guys. Take care. Bye.